Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. I have a Dell XPS 15 old laptop. It's about 9 years old, but it's an amazing laptop. Everything works great. I have the only problem is the hard disk I have is a regular hard disk and it's pretty slow. So I wanted to look at replacing it with a Crucial SSD. The prices are pretty good, so I thought of replacing it now. So the first thing I'm going to show you, so this is the support website of Crucial, where it tells you how to go about doing things, but I will share another video how to replace the hard disk. So one of the things you need is to clone the hard drive into the SSD. So don't the key part is you should keep the original hard disk in your laptop before you finish the cloning. So cloning has to be done before you do the removing of the hard disk. So if you saw, I shared the picture of the USB hard disk connector. I've connected my SSD there. So now I'm going to click on download. You need the Acronis image. And this is the software which will basically like clone your current hard disk into the SSD. So it's going to copy the image of the current hard disk into the SSD. I mean, you should have a lot of patience to do this part of the work, because for me, even though I'm showing it to you so quickly, it actually took me a few hours to get the whole cloning done. So now it's downloaded. I go to my download folder and start installing it. So now it's installing. So the software is being installed on my current hard disk in my laptop, so not on the SSD. So it's being installed on the laptop's hard drive, the old one, and it has to be done on the old one to make sure they can clone it into the SSD, the new SSD you have connected through the USB hard drive connector. So I will share the link to the hard drive connector. It's a pretty simple one and it's amazing. It's worked very well for me to access any external hard disk I have. So I will share a link of that item where you can purchase from Amazon. So I'm installing the software now. It takes some time, but I'm going to rush through the install so that I will actually focus on the work to be done. So I click on start installation. So it's installing now, and I've started the application. So if you see, the continue button is grayed out. Unless you have one of the disk, the old disk or the new disk is an the Crucial SSD or Crucial hard drive, it will not, the Acronis software will not work. So one of them have to be a Crucial product. So only then it's free. So I'm going to connect my SSD to the laptop to identify, to help the software identify it as a Crucial item. So now once I connect that, when I come back, you see the continue button is enabled. Click on continue, and now it's starting the application. And click on, you don't have to click on participate. I say accept agreement. It allows to click on OK. Click on start cloning wizard. And this one takes time, but I'm going to rush through to the process. So the automatic is, I would click on that. That's the recommended one. I click on next. It identifies which is the source disk, which is your current hard drive in the laptop. Click on next. This process could be applicable to a desktop hard disk replacement with an SSD too. So please be aware of that. So what it does is it identifies the information on the old hard disk. So that takes quite a bit of time, but I mean, in my video, I'm going to fast forward it in such a way that we focus on the actual work to be done. As I said again, please don't replace the hard disk before you do the cloning process, because if you remove the hard disk, the current hard disk from your laptop, cloning is almost very difficult or not possible at all. So now it comes to the next screen where you identify which is the target hard disk. You know it's an SSD, so it's connected through the USB. Select that and hit next. Now it tries to create a true image on the disk 2, which is your SSD. Yeah, you need to have a lot of patience for this whole process to be done. It could take a few hours depending on how fast your laptop and your processor is. So then now it says you want to click on to replace a disk on this machine. So basically you want to remove the old one and replace it with this one. So you're making a bootable disk. So you're all set. Now hit proceed. So now it's actually identifying the information on the old hard disk. And it starts cloning the disk. So it's preparing it and doing a step-by-step of cloning. This could take a couple of hours, but when you're seeing this video, you see that I fast forwarded it, so it looks as if it took the whole thing took about 5 minutes. It's not true. It could take a few hours. And the software does a great job. So it's able to clone the disk in such a way that when you install the new one, everything on the old disk is on the new disk. Like the download folder, if you had 10 files on it, all the 10 files will be in the download folder of the new disk. So it's almost like it's a seamless. Once you install the new SSD into your laptop, it looks seamless. It looks as if you didn't change your disk. I mean, it's as good as that, the cloning work. So the cloning is completed. So it says now you can you can replace your hard disk on the laptop, remove the old one and replace it. So you're ready to replace the hard disk. I will share another video to how to replace the hard disk. So thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you to clone a hard disk. Thank you.